Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. 10% more remittances came into the country for the month of October. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ says inflows were valued at $278 million for the period, a $26 million increase compared to last year. This brings total remittances for January to October to $1.9 billion, 17% more than last year. Remittances from the United States accounted for 70% of total inflows. It's costing an average $156.67 for $1, $124.25 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $206.93 for the pound, and $178.48 for the euro. A new board has been appointed at the Clarendon Alumina Production CAP following the transfer of the entity from the Mining Ministry to the Finance Ministry. The change followed concerns of contract irregularities and losses. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark gave Parliament an update today, including that the Auditor General's department is now involved.
With concerns being raised about the controversial contracts at Clarendon Alumina Production, CAP, and the subsequent resignation of the entity's board, the opposition had pressing questions for the Finance Minister when he addressed Parliament on Tuesday.
So my first question is to the Minister is, has the Auditor General been invited to conduct a probe in CAP in terms of the issues that led to the resignation of the board?
The answer to that is in the affirmative, that this is certainly the matter, procurement matter with that contractor is something that would invite her to find out more. So I can answer that in its affirmative.
I mean, you said information gathering. Should I take that to mean an investigation?
Well, I don't want to, that's a loaded term. I mean, normally, no, it is a loaded term. Yes. But these engagements the engagement starts with requesting information. Right. So I'm just being factual.
At the heart of the issue is a multi-million-dollar consultancy contract with overseas company CCPA Capital Partners. Dr. Clark told Parliament it will not be renewed. He also announced the appointment of a new board to be led by Professor Gordon Shirley, who it's understood previously worked at Alcan as a mechanical engineer. The other new board members include financial experts, other former bauxite industry engineers, lawyers, and former CAP Managing Director Winston Hayden, who left in 2018. Dr. Clark revealed that over the last 16 years, losses at the entity exceeded $700 million. The new board is expected to drive the reconstruction of the entity and production while eliminating losses.
The strategy is to very quickly try to make less than optimal start, but to start soon, so at least some production is happening, even if that production is not optimally priced, so that the amount that we use in business interruption proceeds goes down. So instead of having losses of X per month, if you can kind of start production up on a limp, with it costing you more than it would cost normally, but you reduce the losses from X to half X.
Herman Green, TVJ News.
The JC Index advanced by 5,036 points today, while the junior market gained 26 points. Advancing today were Consolidated Bakeries, Jetcon Corporation, Productive Business Solution US dollar shares, Panjam Investments, and Indis Pharma Jamaica. On the losing side were Kaylee Group, Margaritaville Turks, Cygnus Real Estate Finance, Harmon Trading Jamaica, and First Rock Capital Holdings. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.